There is another small trick to save gas with this function. Get account collateral value. As you can see, we have a return named variable, but we also have return statements. It's not necessary because if you have this kind of thing in your function, it's automatically gonna return this variable, right? This total collateral value in USD. You don't also need to define it. So here they don't define it in the beginning, but he used the return statement, and this is also redundant. It's not necessary. So this is another recommendation. And the last one, use name returns. So this kind of pattern of using name returns is also saving gas instead of using return statements. And there is this function, get amount from USD. Get USD value, sorry. Get USD value. So here they don't use return statement, but they just use this, but they can just, instead, they could just do get USD, return this, uint USD value, and remove this return statement. And then we will save some gas. Yeah. So these are just some small tricks and gas optimizations where you can report in this case. I just saw it, I wrote a comment and decided to report them. Yeah, I'm not very focused on gas optimization. I don't know, I felt like reporting this.